In this video, we'll check the Level 8 Voyageur checked luggage. It's a 28-inch model. It's 99 liters, so a lot of liters here. I reviewed this model in the 20 inches version. It was a carry-on and my girlfriend used it extensively. So here it is. Sorry for the dirt because it's used quite a bit. So we love this model. We've used it a lot and it was very reliable. And right now I will be testing the 28 inches version, so a bigger one. Is this one still a very nice suitcase or not? We will answer this question in this video. And to answer this, first we'll have a quick tour of the luggage on the outside and on the inside. Then we will see what fits inside. After this, I will tell you about the pros and cons, 3 pros, 3 cons. Then we'll talk a little bit about the specs. And in the end, I will answer the question, should you buy this luggage or not? Let's go! Quick tour of this 28-inch 99-liter Voyageur model. It's the all black and you have kind of a texture here on the outside material, which is macrolon. It's a polycarbonate, very nice one. You can see you have handles everywhere. So handle here, you have a handle here in the middle, which is unusual, but it's very nice to have it here. You have the logo here. You have some pads on this side, so on one side to put it so that you don't harm your polycarbonate. You have a zipper here. You have some more pads here. Then you have one more handle and you can see the TSA approved little lock here. And you can just do this to pop up the YKK zippers and put a combination, of course, like this. And if we go to the bottom, you can see the wheels. 4 wheels, of course. They are really nice wheels, super silent wheels, and they work really great. And you can see you have a little indentation here. I'm not sure why, but it's here. The material feels almost like carbon fiber with the texture and everything. It's really, really nice. One other thing on the outside is, of course, the handle that you can see here. And it's a big handle like on the 20-inch version, so it takes all the space here, which is a very nice thing. It's very sturdy, it doesn't rattle. You know, usually with a luggage it's like a little bit like that and it rattles and it wiggles and yeah, it's not good. Here it's perfectly stable and it's just perfect. It's aluminum alloy, which is super nice. I really like this big beefy handle and you can hear the sound. Is super sturdy, it makes it feel indestructible. That's it for the outside. Now let's go to the inside. Let's open it up. So we use this, then we undo the YKK zipper that goes around one side, the other side, and that's it. You can see it clearly here. 2 compartments. One big one is higher here, that you can really put some big stuff here. You have kind of a mesh on the outside so you can see through YKK zippers all around, which is super nice. Here you can see something very different from other luggages. You have no thing in the middle. It's very flat because, like we saw, the handle is on the sides right here and right here. So here it's super flat, which is just awesome to put things here. And then you have a little divider that you can use or not use. That's a nice addition and it gives you some organization inside here, but you can put some packing cubes. The main attraction is super flat here, which is super nice. Then we go to the other side and what you can see is the same mesh here with a small pocket here, and here you can see a pocket kind of waterproof and you can put some wet stuff inside here, which is super nice. And last but not least, you have the last compartment under here and it's a little bit shorter in height compared to the other one, and you have a little bit of a downside because you have the handle on the other side, so it takes a little space here, but it's okay. And you can fit some things here, and here you can see the handle in the middle. And that's about it for the quick tour. What fits inside? Let's go. So I filled this one almost to the brim, not totally. It's very, very heavy, so I will try to open it. Let's go. So open it like that with YKK zippers, of course. here you go. I hope you can see it clearly. We have two sides. So we'll begin with the big one on the right here. So this one is higher than this one, so you can put taller things inside here rather than here. So let's check it out. Everything is YKK zippers, and if we open it, I didn't fill it totally because there is so much space that I don't know what to put inside here. I put some packing cubes. Maybe you're not familiar with this. I have some videos about packing cubes. Here we have one from Big Design that I use in my backpacks, but we have other ones directly from Level 8 like this one or some others. So first of all, I put a packing cube from Big Design, an M packing cube. You can find the link down below. And here you can see the separate thing that they put, so you can use it or not. It's just to separate the compartment. You just have one, and so you can fit perfectly a M packing cube from Big Design. Looks something like this, and inside, of course, you can compress it, and I put a lot of clothes. I will not show you everything, otherwise we will have a lot of times, but as you can see, it looks something like this, a lot of clothes inside. Here, I will put this to the side. Second one is a Level 8 packing cube. I put some little things also inside here. If you want the exact specs or dimension of these packing cubes, let me know in the comments down below, and I will explain everything to you. Next one, so I put two shoes here, so you can see one shoe pouch from Big Design and one shoe pouch from Level 8. Here it is. If I show you on the inside, you can see clearly some shoes. And so what's nice about this is most of the times, of course, you use your shoes and they become dirty. And with this, so the dirt is kept outside from the rest of your luggage, which is super nice. And here you can see two holes for other purposes. They breathe a little inside here. Next is the Big Design shoe pouch, like I said, and we have also some shoes inside. And last but not least, I put some little things like a packable jacket right here. We have here a GoPro-like, it's a DJI, so you have a lot of little things like that in this super nice pouch. And last but not least, I have here a Matador packable backpack that you can see here, and you can just open it, and it's a packable backpack inside here, so very nice to have a backpack inside. And that's it for this side. So as you can see, I still add some space. You can see this divider here that you can use or not. And now let's go to the other side. So here we go, I put it like this for you to see better inside here. First of all, you have a kind of plasticky compartment here to put some wet stuff. I just put here my toiletry kit. So as you can see, it looks something like this. Small one, but you can have a bigger one. You can fit quite a lot inside here. And here you can also fit things. Then let's open this compartment. And as you can see, it looks like this. So a little bit less height compared to the other side, but still you can fit quite a lot. I have another packing cube from Big Design that you can see here. Same one. I have a small one, a S packing cube from Big Design, and then another packing cube from Level 8 with some little things inside here. And still you can see I have some space left, so really it's 99 liters, you can really fit a lot to travel for ages, I may say. So that's about it for the what fits inside. Now let's go to the pros and cons. Pros and cons, let's go. So first of all, the cons, 3 pros, don't worry, there are a lot of pros, but I just like to begin with the cons because there is always cons to everything, nothing is just perfect. So the first little con is it's a little bit on the heavy side. I mean, it's not the heaviest by any means, but you can find some lighter luggages. This one is about 12.4 pounds, which is about 5.62 kilograms for 99 liter. It's okay, but not the lightest in the world. Second con, it's a little one. It's the case with a lot of luggage like this, is no external access. So I know it's not a feature that is implemented a lot, but I like it when I see it. So I don't know, just a small little pocket, but it's hard on a hard case like this. What I liked on other Level 8 luggages is, for example, the one with the little flap for the laptop. This is super nice. Here you don't have it. It's like this. Maybe it's not a problem at all for you. For me, it's just a little con. And then the last con, I think, is the handles, which is a con and a pro. We'll see it right after. The con is not here because this is awesome to carry it. Is like we saw on the what fit inside, the fact that it takes some space in the main compartment in the middle here. So of course, with the large handle, you don't have it here, but but with this handle you have some lost space here. And then about the big handle is the fact that if you want to carry a backpack, then you cannot use the luggage pass-through from your backpack directly here. You have to use a strap or something, because the luggage pass-through on backpacks is usually more made for the small handles, like less large than this one, like this. So here you cannot use your backpack to just put it here most of the time, but it's also a small con. And now let's talk about the pros. And the first pro is the same as the last con, is the handle. Super beefy, super sturdy, aluminum alloy, is just perfect to use. I really like this. It's just one of the most beautiful and perfect handles on the market right now. The second pro, I think, is this handle here. Since it's a big luggage, this is a very nice thing to carry it, because the center of gravity is just perfect, and it's just very well balanced to carry it like this. So really thumbs up for this. Second pro, I think, is the build quality is just super nice. YKK zippers everywhere. This Macron polycarbonate is really well made. It's me a lot, remember, of carbon fiber, but it's not, but yeah, it's close to it. And then the wheels also are super nice. They're super silent and they work really well. I mean, it's the same wheels they use on all their luggages, and they work really well. And the last pro, I think, is it's super roomy. I think it's so roomy that I cannot find what to put inside, but the good news is if you don't know how to fill it, then you can come back from your travel location with some souvenirs and some things you bought there. So this is really nice, and definitely not something I do. When I do one bag travel and I just travel with a backpack, I usually don't bring anything because I don't have a space to bring some things. Here you have plenty of space, which is just another thumbs up. Now let's talk a little bit about the specs. First of all, 99 liters. I will not measure it, but trust me, it's very large. You can put a lot of things inside here, no problem at all. It's about 2 times the size of the other one I showed you at the beginning, so really nice. Then we'll kind of check the measurement to see if they're right, so let's go. First of all, the height, like this, they say it's 74 centimeters, which is 29.1 inch. Let's find out if they tell the truth or not. So 74 with the wheels, and it is perfectly that. So that's nice. They don't lie on the dimensions. Then the width, they say 42.2 centimeters, which is 16.6 inches. Let's find out. Yeah, it's perfectly that, so definitely really nice dimensions. And the last one is the depth, so we will measure it directly here, I think, if you can see it. And they say it's about 13.3 inches, which is 33.8 centimeters, and it's definitely 33.8, which is super nice. We'll put it like that if you like it. And it's about perfectly what they say. Nice. And spec-wise, also, like I said, Macron polycarbonate, YKK zippers all around, super silent, 360 spinning wheels. I cannot say anything about it. The build quality is top-notch, so thumbs up. So in the end, should you buy this rolling luggage 28 inch? Well, of course, it depends the capacity you need. This is very big. I think they have another size 30 inches, something like that, so it's even bigger. Here, it's definitely a lot. You can put a lot of volume inside. The build quality is really top notch, so you can really trust it. And we know that checked luggage, they go like this, and maybe they don't care about them so much. Here you can feel that it's built to last, so no worries about this. We've used, like I said, this one, the small one, extensively, and sorry it's dirty because we use it a lot and we have no trouble at all, just the dirt because we need to wash it. But if you got it in black, then you have no problem to wash it because you will not see the stain. And here you can see this is the small one, and it's smaller obviously, and it's perfect. The wheels are still very nice, so no problem with this. So if you're in the market for something that big with 100 liter, definitely go for it. You have other options, of course, from other manufacturers, but for the price point and everything, I think it's a pretty good deal. Maybe you can like some button to lock the wheels. You know, some high-end luggage have this, but maybe they cost more. So you can lock the wheels so when you're on a bus or something, it doesn't move. Here you don't have this. That's maybe the only thing that it doesn't have. The rest is just top-notch, so very good. If you're interested, I will put the link down below with the latest promo code, if we have some, or the latest link that will give you the best promo at the moment when you watch this video. If you watch until here, it's because you like the content, so don't forget to put a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. And if you're in the market for a backpack also, or sling or something, go check my other videos. I have a lot of videos about backpacks, slings, and tech. I can guide you for this. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye bye, ciao ciao.